Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about semi-join. The semi-join operation defines a relation that contains the tuples of R that participate in the join of R with S. Semi-join matches the tuples of two relations or tables in any dbms and then show the matching tuples or rows in any dbms of the relation whose name is mentioned in the left side of the semi-join operator. The semi-join operation performs the join of the two relations and then projects over the attributes of first relation. One advantage of a semi-join is that it decreases the number of tuples by using projection operation, and theta join can perform semi-join operation. It is said to be semi-theta join. Here is the example of the semi-join operation. Student is the table name and arrowhead is the symbol for semi-join. We are going to select where student.id is equal to result.id, and by using selection operation we can select result.marks where result.marks greater than 90. Here is the example. We are going to select only student table attributes who have more than 90 marks. So in result table, which is the black table of this relational algebra result in black table, so only one student is selected with greater than 90 marks, and which is Fahim. And now we are going toward implementation. Open XAMPP server, select the database test data where student is the table, and we are going to select only student attributes because it is left side of the symbol. And now select ID and name by using projection, city from student, inner join, with result on student.id is equal to result.id, and mention also here that we are going to select student.id attribute, and now execute the query. First copy the query and then press Ctrl plus enter. So after that, and using where clause, we can select specific records marks greater than 90. Copy the query and execute the query, and only one record is selected from the student table. In this situation, there is no record or no tuple, no attribute is selected from the result table. We are going to select only the attributes of the student table, which is the left side table of the semi-join symbol. So thank you for watching this video.